Hey guys, this is another S Group daily review video number 105. It's now March 1st, and I thought I'd start recording these videos using my screen capture. Um, Figured it all out here, and yeah, so going forward, starting today, March 1st, you're going to see my beautiful face in all the S Group review videos, as opposed to just hearing my voice. All right, so we got our earnings last night. Which was 0.54%. So I profited $98.22 on the money I've invested in my Forex account, which is based off of my initial deposit, or my principal, I should say, 23,600 and $749.53. So on these two amounts combined, guys, is what I earned in the system. Of course, I'm at the tier of this one right here, 75%. I'm going to profit, and they're going to profit 25%. So yeah, so I got 75% of the trade of 0.54%, which is $98.22, guys. So just for having money in the system, guys, I mean, I just didn't do anything. I just have it in there, and it's trading automatically through the Forex trading bot. The company has upgraded their brokers. They've changed to two or three different brokers now for the Forex trading. So they've reprogrammed the bot. It's now active for a couple days. Last week on Thursday, Friday, we had some low earning days, but if we actually check the video, the summary here, yeah, 0.006 and 0.009. They actually had them on, I think it was like a low state of in terms of trading or something like that. So they've reprogrammed them, and they re-enabled them for the new for the new brokers that they have enabled. So yeah, so our trading ever since then, it's gone up. Went from 0.37% up to now 0.54%. So it's been reinitiated, and yeah, guys. So I'm growing my account. I'm slowly getting to this second highest tier, which I'm really excited about. I'll be getting an extra 5% per day on the money I've invested, which at that point will be 25,000. Should be there sometime, maybe late this month or early next month. It's hard to say, give or take. But yeah, guys, this is definitely rock solid. I've been in S Group since, if you guys have been following me, you already know this, but for those that don't, I've been in S Group since October of 2020, and I have nothing but great things to say about this company. It's very stable. They are growing. They're at 100,000 members in the system. When I started, it was something like around 6,000 back in October of 2020, so now they're at 100,000 members, all invested in various areas of the company. Of course, you can invest in Forex and just ride that for a while, which is what I've been doing. Other people coming in and investing in S pharmaceutical, medical marijuana, and for healing purposes and stuff. People that have ailments. SIPO is their stocks. So when they do stock trading, the bot is programmed with various stocks to trade automatically for you. So you just have to have your money in there. It trades automatically for you. Or Liquidity Mining, their own token system, which is on its own individual market, which makes money for you as well. I've broken down a lot of these areas in the previous videos, so you can check all those videos out. So if you guys are looking to make some passive income, like not really having to do much, you just have your money invested, for example, in Forex, which is actually what S Group started with about a year and a half ago. It was just Forex. You just have the money invested in here, and depending on how much money you throw in here or how much you build up will determine how much money you're going to make. Is the numbers in blue is what you'll make, and the numbers in black is what the company will make off of your money invested. So it's basically a win-win situation, guys. So I just want to make this 5-minute daily review video and show you guys my account, the progress. If you guys are interested in joining S Group, just click on the sign up link down below. You have to be sponsored in. You can't just join by yourself. So click on the sign up link down below. My email address is in the description. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Let me know. If you have any questions, I'll go ahead and answer them. And also, don't forget to click on the excuse me, the sign up link down below in this video. You can join my YouTube channel. That way you can see all the necessary updates and reviews and things to come in the future. So that being said, see you guys in the next video, and take care.